second morning walk in Sandy Bay, Sandy Point. Calm beaches, clean beaches. Except for before, no one on the beach. It's 7:15, 7:20 now.
Yum.
That's full meat.
Yeah.
Give it up.
Clams, shells. Come 2.2 kilometers on the beach and still same. Very nice. The sun is coming up. Try to head to that place to see the sun rise. ಬದುಕಿದೆ ಅಂತೆ. Yeah, probably 1 or 2 days.
No, less than that.
Last night, so
It would've been
fast
last
the
night.
works will come in.
Yeah, it would have been like recent.
Very sensitive.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hard to make.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So after that ground encounter, we are heading back. We have done 4 kilometers in one way because we need to vacate the property by 10. Thought we'll head back so we can be on time. It's another 4.4 kilometers back home. We have done 8 kilometers and that's our end of beach walk morning. We are heading back. Bye bye beach. So we'll finish off here, sign off here and catch you all in another video, another place somewhere else. So bye from Wilson's Promontory now. So we vacated our accommodation there in Sandy Point and we are heading back home. On the way we thought, okay, I will give a break here in a falls. We had been to this falls before, but just give a break. We drive 45 to 1 hour and we are here. It's called Agnes Falls. We have come here a couple of times. It's a nice falls.
ಕಾರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವೆಯ್ಟಿಂಗು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರೇ ಆ ಥರನೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಏನೋ ಕುಟ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ அவன் சொன்னாக்க பெங்குவின் தான் பார்க்கணும். இதெல்லாம் ஜூம் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். 1000 ஜூம் 1000 zone.
Step over.
Finding out from the camera.
80-mile beach,
90 miles.
90-mile.
And you can walk on 23rd September. Motorcycle? I don't know the name, what it is called. Probably 200 years old. Motorcycle. Supposed to be the single wheel before, and then they put another wheel.
The rail trail, I don't know why it's so